Hello and welcome to a fan change around and cooler bling update. So let's have a chromax upgrade to my PC. So let's change this to this. So here I go with the chromax update. This is how it looks at the moment. I've got a green theme going on, what with the Aorus being on green as well. It'd be nice to get rid of that back pink fan. The middle one's not too much problem, the end one it would be nice, so I've opted, as I said in the last few unboxing videos, to go for it. So I probably speed up the change bit and then slow it down at the end. So welcome to watching. Here we go. Of course this case is not easy because you can quite easily, this is a Corsair case, lose these, and inside there's a rubber grommet which is on the inside, and as you take the glass off you can lose the rubber grommet as well. It is a nightmare. Why couldn't they just have it on a hinge or something? I don't know. I got a little bit more light in the top. Take the top cover off. I can't move this too much because this is my CD-ROM drives which are wired to the computer, so it's only as long as the normal SATA cable. Okay, so I now turn the computer off and I'm going to speed the video up from this bit onwards. I'll just give you a quick zoom in just before I do that. So you can see the cooler, D15 with the two fans, and the exit fan up there. Oh, for fuck's sake, it's so fucking weird. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell. Ah, got it. Oh, fucking hell. Who is this one? No chance, no chance. That's all we're going on. No chance. Fuck. Oh, this is fucking ridiculous. So everything can help. This thing. Oh, that's just all in there. Fucking hell. Lovely. Oh, it's so fucking hot. Oh, fuck off, you fucking thing. Fucking cunts. Fuck you. Fucking football. Oh, better fucking prick. Right. Well, there we are. After a lot of fiddling about, I had to actually loosen the graphics card off to get these underneath. At one stage I thought I was going to have to take the cooler off to find the plugs. The top two are alright, the other CPU one, a chassis fan, so it was a little bit harder to get to. I got them all in the end. It wasn't quite as easy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be just a 5-minute job. It's been about an hour or more doing this. But there we are. So I just hope it all starts up alright and I haven't lodged anything out or any plugs have come out while I've been jiggling everything about. Hopefully it should start up, so let's see. Okay. Well, they're all spinning. And green is activated. Okay. I was also going to use the little rubber things to pull through here, but I couldn't get to the two at the back without taking the cooler out, so I've opted just to screw it back in as the other one was. Screws are a bit easier. It would have been nice to have done that, but there we are. It's actually a tighter fit with the screws. Oh, fuck's sake. Right, so if you've got this mid-sized Corsair case, it's a tight fit, but it fits. So if you're wondering about upgrading, well, not upgrading, blinging up your view a little bit more, then I guess it's okay if I can find the other screw. Where is it? There it is. So one thing I don't like about this case is getting the glass on and off. Because you've got to try and not hold the inside, otherwise you get fingerprints that you can't clean off, obviously, once you've screwed it back up. And don't screw it too tight either. At the moment, this isn't screwing in at all. Oh, it's so awkward, this case. Really so awkward. You couldn't make it any harder. In fact, come to think of it, all cases are a pain when you've got to change any parts. There aren't many that are real nice and easy to use. And this one seems to not be able to find a thread. Brilliant. It's either threadbare or it's just... Come on, you stupid thing. Well... No, I don't think that's what the others are now. So move it back again, carefully. Sure my CD-ROM's still at work. So let's just do the outside now. Well, there we are. There it is in all its dark glory. Just get away the light there a minute. So it's a nice upgrade. It definitely looks a lot better all being black now. Everything feels like it's meant to be in the same box. So well done to Noctua for giving us black fans. Shame you couldn't give me them when I bought my original ones, because that's another, well, £23 one of them was, 20 the others. So, you know, it's over 60 quid to change those 3 fans around. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give you a quick close up there. Put that light back on. Yeah, so now we got it from the Aorus. There's the first one on the outside there. You can hardly see the one in the middle. And there's the one at the back. Can hardly be seen at all now. all nice and black. Okay, thanks for watching. If you're worried about your case, if it's this one, Corsair one, the mid ATX, it just fits, and it just misses the Aorus card underneath as well. In fact, it neatens it up a bit because the wires where you pull the fans onto the cooler, it sort of hides them underneath a little bit, so actually makes it a bit neater. Just about made the belt one out, which is lovely. And you see the gap between the card and the fans. It's a small gap, but it's fine. This one's got a plate on the top anyway, so it's no big deal. It is a bigger deal down there though, so there's a less plate covering back down there. But anyway, there we are. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.